Hey, I was wondering where the discount part was. This is a quick little video about AI Press from Chrisler. And you can see that there's what I call an exit pop discount coupon code here. So you click the link in the video description and it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. AI Press is one of the top 2 new offers out today. Chrisler does lots of internet marketing. What am I thinking of? Kind of where he's put together not things like this where it's software, but more where it's reviews and things like that. So this is ChatGPT tools, so artificial intelligence tools, right inside your website. You come to the link, there's a demo video showing you all the way through AI Press. You can show everything you can create, articles, product reviews, images, monetization, setup. It creates the sites. It's really a site building place that has sites with all of that included. $17. And that's the discount coupon code. So you get to the bottom of my site, you'll see either the product box or the link that says ChatGPT tools right inside your website. You click that and you're here, what we're watching. And you just wait for it to fully load up, run your cursor to the upper right-hand corner where the X is. Don't click on it, but get up there and it'll give you a discounted thing. I wonder, while I'm doing this, I will just open this up in a new tab and tell you that it brings it down to from $17.09 down to $13.09. And 23% off. So there you go. Maybe I'll take the code and put that into the on a website, so you can just find it there, and then away you go. When you want to close out, you put the code in, and it brings it down to $13.09. And then let's get rid of this and show you inside. You're just okay. Get out of there. Now it's not. Now it's there all the time. Okay. Video to start with. And just a little bit down here, they go here. Here's how to create affiliate sites. Install it on your site. And they go, let GPT do everything to create content, product reviews, images, rewrite any content. It just does everything. And you hit post and boop, it's all put together for you. So it's that easy to create. And they start showing. So now you're creating websites about, I don't know, whatever little products you come across that on Amazon. That's what they're using right there. So not the broad, kind of categories like, dog training, but instead picture a sonic, I don't even know if this is such a thing that it actually exists, so I'll just make it up, a sonic dog whistle collar. So you whistle and it brings the dog back. I don't know, something like that. So, so it's a very small category. You create this website like this, and it goes out and grabs sonic collar articles and videos and so on. And pretty soon you're one of the top sites for sonic collars, if that was what the term was that we were using. You see what I'm talking about? So that it's pretty much, you're going to use it to dominate through AI into these kind of things and be ready to start earning affiliate commissions right away. So done for you content, monetization, images, all through AI, works with your current site, and fully customizable. So you can go and create sites. There's a good example of one being put up. And here's another kind of thing, smart home. So again, picture going, smart home is a pretty broad category, but instead, I don't know, wireless doorbells, Ring doorbells, or there's a bunch of different categories like that you can get into. And here we go. So I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to scroll you down. I think it was $17 regularly. They show you a lot of information about it, demo video and the whole 9 yards. And these are you creating whatever you want to create the thing about, monetize it with any affiliate program, and bam, bam, you're up and running. So pretty amazing kind of thing. And there's a really good example, drones or the heli four-copter kind of things. And again, so a very specific kind of a thing, and you can have it go out and find. Prime is Amazon products. You're getting 6% of the sales, maybe more if you sell a bunch of them, and so on. And it can put together the whole thing. You're now the number 1 or in the top 10 or in the top 50 or whatever for these kind of quadcopters or drones, or, you know what I mean, whatever it is they're looking for. So I'm going to stop right there, click the link in the video description, and go check this out. It's called AI Press from Kirk Chrisler, fresh out today. AI software creates 100% done for you sites, and away you go. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Go click the link and check out AI Press.